Hi everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve login failed on FIFA Mobile. To know how to fix or how to solve FIFA Mobile login failed, you should just go to settings. After that, in this page, we click apps, default apps, app settings. When you'll find this page here, you will enter to this window of FIFA Mobile and you will enter here as you see. Then this page of app info, you will enter to first stop and we click OK. Then we click on storage. Here we go to click clear cache. And in the end you can go to Play Store. You will search about FIFA Mobile. When you will find it, then you can update your application there on Play Store. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for your attention and your watching.